Welcome back to this series on electric ukulele playing. Today's is about Green Machine by Kyuss. Yes, again, I know I don't look the California stoner metal type, but it's fun to play. I have to phrase this carefully because I don't want Kyuss fans getting mad at me, but the riff I am doing is pretty easy. I'm playing one string and alternating two slides. That doesn't mean the song is easy or simple, just what I'm doing is. The challenge is getting a uke to chug, to sound like low metal power chords when you don't have bass notes and you don't really have power chords. So I'm using the octaver to only output lower octaves, and I'm also adding octave effects and heavy distortion in the zoom. The result is that you can't do chords with this patch because everything's up to 11, and it sounds terrible, but with single notes it works, sort of. Tune up and let's play.